You guys, I look crazy.
Yeah. We don't interact hardly. You know I'm speaking facts only. Tell me why you gotta act on me. Won't you bring it back for me? Drink stop pouring soon as I came through. We started.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna try a mask. Okay sis, I am gonna be trying the Starburst glittery mask. It is the charcoal deep cleansing gel based formula. Here we go sis. That's what I'm using today. It's for 20 to 30 minutes, so this is gonna be a while. Right now I'm not wearing any makeup, but my eyebrows are filled in and I was wearing a little bit of mascara. So I apologize for the lighting. I'm not at my usual spot, so I'm just working it out with the damn lighting I got right now. Don't got my mic or nothing, so hopefully the audio's gonna be all right. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's gonna be all right. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. So I'm gonna first wipe my face. I don't normally wash my face, you guys, but I will this time just because I feel real sweaty. Today has been hot. Okay, today was a very hot day. Plus it's glitter, sis. It is glitter. Like, who the fuck came up with this? Wait, glitter. Like, who the fuck came up with this? Sorry, let me read the directions. It says, see a tutorial. Listen, we don't do tutorials. We wing it. We wing it. I'll put the link in the description box. But we wing it. That's what we do. We wing it. It's starting to burn my eye, like the chemical. Whatever is in this is not right, but okay. Maybe I should have looked up the instructions. We all know that we don't do that. Let's be realistic. We don't do the whole instructions thing. So it says apply, let it dry for 30 minutes, and then peel it off. That's what it says. Put on, bitch. Wait. What? I look crazy. I'm on Pizzoint. What? So it's been literally like a minute or so. Let me get my mom's reaction. Mommy! Mom?
Where you get them look from?
How you feel about my face? Doesn't it look great?
Really, Shanice. Get out of here. You look like a living monster.
Don't I look pretty?
Well, if you say yes, yeah. Living monster.
That's an A-class lie, Mom, but thank you. Thank you. Okay. So I am back. It's literally been an hour. It really just wouldn't dry, and I think that's my fault, the thin enough layer. So this is gonna be pretty messy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got it on my baby hair. This shit's gonna make me cry. Like, you can't even see if it took up like anything, like if it snatched anything. Oh my gosh, I gotta rub this off now. sticky. No. So we're gonna wash this off, okay? This hurt like a motherfucker. I'm gonna wash it off with African black soap. I won't lie, my pores actually feel a lot tighter and they look tighter. I wish I got an angle. Like my nose is very porous, if that makes sense. But why, like, this actually snatched off my face. I'm gonna come right back because I'm gonna moisturize my face with a moisturizer that I really, and then I'm going to use this. Well, there we go. I'm gonna be using that first. Oh Lord. I don't know if I should do angles for this. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out my channel. Make sure you check out other videos and subscribe. If you got here, you're here now. I apologize, yeah. Sorry for the lies, yeah. For the lies, yeah. For the lies, yeah.